Are we cleaning off both?
What's up, YouTube family? We are back from Miami, Florida, and we came home to this. Tons of fun.
So much snow.
So now we are cleaning off the cars.
Guess we're not washing my car today.
You want to start your car?
I guess we're taking my car to.
We can. Oh, I just figured your car's better in snow than mine.
I forgot we're shopping. We gotta go to the grocery store. Look at him. Oh, he only like half cleaned off my car window. No!
What do you think? We got like 3 inches so far, 4 inches?
Yeah.
Judging by how much is on the, like, so.
Should have brought a ruler.
Yeah, or a tape measure.
We should go sleigh riding. Wait, is it sleigh riding or sledding?
Sleigh riding?
Is it sledding? Tobogganing?
Well, Santa has a sleigh.
Oh, we don't have reindeer.
Well, then how are we gonna sleigh riding?
Think we could go sleigh riding down this little hill? There's a big hill down the road. What's today? January 18th?
January 18th?
Our first real snow of the season.
Yeah.
Frick.
I would much rather be in Miami.
I'd much rather be in Miami.
So freaking miss Miami right now. So stinking much.
So stinking much. No end in sight. It's supposed to snow all day. This started around 9 o'clock. It started to snow.
Yeah. And it like covered the streets like
super quick.
Yeah, super quick. I'm so cold I can't even talk.
You should have worn gloves.
No.
Want to borrow my scarf?
No. Thank you though. That's very nice of you.
Oh, all the adventures in the summertime.
Wasn't it just like almost 60 degrees?
Yeah, last Saturday, 1 week ago, it was 60 degrees and the sun was out. And this Saturday, we are gonna get hot chocolate, get some groceries.
Oh, jeez, oh man.
The car we're actually taking,
We were just in 80
the car Matt's cleaning off.
And now we're in like 20 degrees snow. All right. Ready?
Ready?
Look at you all bundled up. Look like you're wearing a neck brace.
Okay, Matt, it's 25 degrees outside. Acted like it's 80.
Freaking. Yeah, it's pretty nasty out. As you can see, we're the only ones on the road right now. It's only 2:16 and we're the only ones dumb enough to be out here.
Ooh,
well, okay.
Here's some friends.
I take that back. Here's some friends.
Here's some other dummies. We have to do our laundry.
Yeah.
Go to the grocery store.
So they have this brand new McDonald's, and everyone, like right when it opened, they did a complete remodel.
You would think it was a 5-star restaurant.
Right, so they did a remodel, and everyone's like, oh my god, let's try out the McDonald's, let's try out the McDonald's. Well, the menu did not change. It's still McDonald's.
Still those same nugs.
Still the same ingredients, but everyone's like flipping out as if it's this like brand new like
line is wrapped around the building.
Yeah, like I don't know if you guys can see, but it was busy when it first opened.
Fancy restaurants around here.
Yeah, right. Nothing but the best. Nothing but the best.
This is the finest hotel in the
Oh my god, this hotel right there.
One time it made the front page of the newspaper when a deer jumped through the window.
Ooh.
As a guest was staying in the hotel.
Did it really?
I swear to you, ask my mom.
That's quality right there.
Yep.
That is quality.
Yeah,
We'll have to stay there one night just for fun.
Just for fun. That's a whole
We
new
probably
video.
won't spend. Yeah, we probably won't spend the entire night there. We'll probably just film how nasty the place is.
Show you guys.
Show you how upscale it is.
It's great.
Are you okay to drive?
I am fine to drive. Are you okay to walk?
No, I am not, because my feet are cold.
Aw, the poor baby.
Aww.
You first.
Me for? No.
Come on.
So we just got the groceries.
Go home and make those nachos.
Go home and make some delicious nachos. Oh.
Actually, you didn't think it was a good idea.
So this is us driving home, getting our nachos.
I can taste them now.
You can taste the nachos?
I'm so excited. The best comfort food.
Why do you look so funny when you're
Leave
driving?
me alone.
Look at how you are sitting.
Matthew.
All bundled up.
Keep it up. The children have to sit in the back of the car.
Yep.
It's 24 degrees now.
Yeah.
So make fun of my scarf again.
I'm sorry.
You're not actually sorry.
This is our life right now.
Oh,
Who the hell is that?
I don't know.